Hello and welcome to another episode of the Autistic Angler. So today Mrs. B is letting me go back down to the beach to have another go with those worms. So let's see what happens.
So here we are then, back on the beach. I've prepared my rod, as you can see. And today, for the first time ever, I'm doing something different. So, on my loop rigs, it's all about bait presentation. And there you can see it. Pennel on both the top and the bottom. Because I found out yesterday, every time I brought the bait in, the worm was squashed down on the bottom. And I thought, that doesn't look right. And I've never done pennels with the small hooks. So I've got two 4-ounce weights with my normal setup with my cobras and pen battles, and yes, back down with Lola. It's a Saturday today, so there's a lot more people about, and as you can see there's some people fishing. So I'll cast this out and see what happens. Oh, by the way, it's high tide, so I'm going to be fishing the ebb. Fishing. Right, so I brought them back in and repositioned them because the grip is tripped. So I've put 5-ounce ones on now, but the bait was still perfectly presented. So that worked. I had a chat with the other blokes. They've been here for a couple of hours, but they haven't caught anything either. So it's a lovely day to use the worms up anyway. I had a blooming good bite on the shorter one, which is the one I've just put out with the 4-ounce weight. Bloody typical. No, it wasn't a seagull this time. It's warming up out here now. Spring's just around the corner. And these guys that I was talking to reported that the seal went past them earlier, and he looked like he was heading back to the harbour, because as you know, that's what does happen with the seal. Well, that's what I seem to have noticed in the past anyway. Because there's some of them live in Chichester Harbour and some live in Langston, but I've seen a big one before. He seems to come out of Langston and come all the way down here. I don't know if he goes to South Bray Pier or into the other harbour, but we often see him heading back towards the Langston Harbour, and you can tell he's not fishing because he's just swimming along. And he just comes up for air and swims along, comes up for air. He's not hunting. Mind you, saying that, it's this time of year when I saw a seal stick his head out up the other end when I was fishing up by the nudist beach, and he had a dinner plate sized plaice in his mouth. He had to keep throwing it round and round in circles, taking bites out of it to make it smaller, to get it into past his jaws, or should I say small enough to eat. Yet there's no clouds in the sky today. There's a few, there's a couple of wispy ones down there. There was a lot more in the sky yesterday. So I've managed to get out some good casts with the 4 ounces, and they've gone a lot further, so I'm happier with that now. So it's just a case of waiting to see, keep changing the baits, and keep my fingers crossed. Right, I've got some fresh bait on, but this time, on the pennel hook, I've put a little slither of squid on the top. So they've got a little slither on the bottom and another one on the top. So hopefully that might be some more attractive. I don't know what's happening, but there's a glider. It looks like a glider. Really low here. He's incredibly low. He shouldn't be that low, I know that for a fact, because I used to fly gliders. He's a motor glider, look. What on earth is he doing that low? He's still got his engine on. But there's no way he should be that low. Right, let's have a look at this other one because it seems to have moved along the floor a bit. Because this was the one that had a big bite on it. No, something tripped the gripper, that was all. Bait's still fine. No. I can see the top things okay. And the bottom's okay. Looks like we've had a bite though. Yeah, I have got one.
Quite well, but it is bleeding. So I thought that's why I might have to do the fish show.
Yeah, but I've tried that with these things.
Yeah, and they're a bit dainty, are they?
They are very. I haven't got my glasses on, is it that way?
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
There. Oh, your hook's there.
Yeah, the hook's not far down, but
Tiny mouth, isn't it?
it's just and he's a small fish, and he's.
Yeah, but we don't want to kill him if we don't have to, do
No,
we?
exactly. Especially, I mean, how beautiful.
Have you got any
I mean, I've got a proper pair of forceps, you know what I mean?
Yeah, how big?
Yeah, I
6-inch ones or the 12-inch?
12.
They might be a bit big.
fish show extracts maybe. Go through the gills.
We'll try that first. The hook's not far down, is he?
No. Let's have a look and see which way it is though. it's yeah. No, I'm gonna try the fish show.
Yeah, will you try it?
Try the fish show way.
Because that's worked for me loads.
Yeah, right. Come in here. Be careful.
I haven't seen him put any videos up for a long time
No,
now.
he hasn't. He's only put repeats up, hasn't he?
Yeah.
He's only put repeats up.
True.
You've got to watch the gill plates.
Yeah, we. Right, there's your line.
Pull the line through. Try and turn the hook.
Let's just play up and have a look. Does it turn?
Yeah, I'm trying to turn the hook now.
Yeah, that's the other one. Pull that one.
It's
No, you were right to start with.
yeah. It's
My
that
fault.
one, yeah. Just trying to turn the hook now, but
Go away, dog. Go away, dog.
it's not turning. What a shame. Something was biting for a while.
Well, all you can do is cut the line quite close.
Yeah, let me just.
If you can't get it out. And of course, that's the problem with the little place as well.
Yeah, exactly. I just want to see.
Such delicate mouths, aren't they?
I just want to see where the actual point of the hook is.
It's not far down,
No,
is
it's
it?
not far down at all. Oh, I don't want to send it through its brain, obviously. Bloody worm.
Listen, you can't do anything about it if it does die.
No, I know. I just hate it. It's just.
Yeah, but then maybe we shouldn't fish, you know.
No, I know that.
We do accidentally lose them, don't
Yeah, I mean, even whiting, I feel
Yeah.
bad when I lose a whiting, but.
we? Is he not coming out?
That's,
He was only just there.
yeah, I know. It's very strange. Yeah, no. That's
Which way's the hook going?
It's going that
way?
Yeah. And that's oh no, poor little thing. Yeah, he's it's in his actually stomach lining. He's
Oh, you got a it's long shank, is
yeah,
it?
it's a long shank. Yeah, it's in its stomach lining.
No, it's got a long shank.
Isn't it?
Is it not?
No.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, is he gonna? Yeah.
Probably not.
We've got a bucket of water. Yeah, then we're back. Yeah, it's gone.
Oh, well done anyway. They caught a fish.
Good. They'll be happy for the rest of the day.
Yeah, well, I was down there all day yesterday,
Yeah.
and all I caught was a seagull.
Oh. Not so good.
Well, there you go. Give me my blooming hook back, you. Blooming whelks. Yeah, definitely something munching the bait, look. Trouble is, I don't know if it's fish or not.